Ciao world! What I have here is a Pioneer amplifier from the 90s. It's a Pioneer M-J310 and it's a class AB amplifier transistor, and this is just an amplifier that needs a preamplifier, and it has this connector here that goes to the background, and it was connected to a stacked amplifier like in the 90s they used to do. But the other part of the amplifier, I don't have the other part. I just have this one here because a friend of mine would like to throw this away and he doesn't have the other part. So the problem it has is just that it haven't got the other part, so it is not usable, because if you look here in the background, well, now it's already modified, but the original amplifier doesn't have this volume pot here and this input, auxiliary input. It just has this cable that goes out from here directly to the preamplifier box. So what I have done, I have cleaned all this amplifier. Of course I have tested just to check that this works, and to check that this amplifier works, I have found the datasheet, and on the datasheet I have found that there's a connection here that must go to ground in order to engage the relay and all the amplifier. Also, this connection here has a line input, so I decide to add a Bluetooth chip, and this is the Bluetooth board, and this is a cheap Bluetooth board powered by a step down connected to the 18 voltage output that I take from this cable. Then from the 18 voltage output I goes to the DC step down 5 to 5 volts, then to the DC to DC to decouple the ground and have less noise, just a simple capacitor on the output, and then on the Bluetooth board. The Bluetooth board then is connected, the output of the Bluetooth board is connected to this input here, that when you put the jack in, the Bluetooth is disconnected and it works by using the external line input. Otherwise it will use the Bluetooth. Then it goes to a pot here and then to the input of the amplifier. And so now I have a class AB amplifier that I don't have before. So it is just connected to my phone via Bluetooth, just for test, and there's a lot of volume, so I have to lower it down, but I must say it sounds good.